Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this butterfly skull makeup look. For this look, we want the pattern on the butterfly wings to give the illusion of a skull. To start this look, I start with a gray eyeliner pencil and sketch out the shape of the butterfly wings. And here I'm sketching in the body of the butterfly. The shape of the butterfly wings sort of evolves as I go along, so this shape kind of changes later on. Here I begin doing the pattern on the butterfly wings, and these first ones I'm trying to kind of disguise my eyebrows into the look itself. And here I'm going around the outside of my eyes in a rounded shape, trying to make it look like the eye sockets of a skull. Then using a gray Mehron face paint, I start to fill in some of the shapes. First I fill it in with this gray face paint, and then I go in with some black for shading. Here I'm adding some black to the middle of the eye to create some depth. Then adding some black eyeshadow for more shading. Then going around the circle to add some shadow. For the wings, I kind of wanted an ombre shaded sort of look, so here I start with white, and as I go towards the tip of the wings, I'm making it darker. Adding some gray in the middle, and then we'll be putting black on the tips. Next, I'm again continuing on the hollow of the eye area, filling it in with gray, and then using some black eyeshadow for the shading. For the pattern on the tips of the wings, I'm using some gray and white, and then outlining that with black. For this section at the bottom of the top part of the wings, I wanted to make it white and try to, as best as possible, sort of make it look like bone. I wanted it to be completely white background and then use some shading to sort of make it look like the eye sockets would look. Now I'm filling the body of the butterfly with black. Here I am shading the white section underneath the eyes, and I'm shading it similar to the way I would shade it in a normal bone looking skeleton. And I think this will help the illusion that this is supposed to be the bone underneath the eye, along with the dark eye sockets. I think it really helps with that illusion. Here I'm adding some light gray to the body of the butterfly to give it some dimension and depth. Next I go in to make a sort of teeth-like pattern. I know at first it looks like there's a big gap between the teeth, but that's where the wings are. This is supposed to give the illusion of the teeth, and so I will be adding other patterns around the outside of the teeth shapes to sort of make it look like it's a pattern on the wings. Then I'm going in between and around the teeth with black face paint. Then above and below the teeth, I'm making rounded shapes to make it look like this is the pattern on the butterfly's wings and sort of incorporate the teeth into a believable looking pattern. Then I'm filling in the rest of the wing shapes with white. Then I'll be filling in the lines in between with the black face paint. Then I will be doing the ombre shading again, starting with white to gray, then to black on each of the butterfly wing sections. When shading the teeth, I'm leaving the top of the teeth pretty much white and the bottom of the teeth more gray. And that completes this butterfly illusion skull makeup look. I really like the idea of having the butterfly wings sort of look like the pattern has the skull in it itself. I felt like this was a fun and interesting look to do, and I really like how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.